Hi, my name is Crys Heywood. I'm product manager with Peerless AV Europe, based in the UK. Part of our video wall section, this here is the portrait model of the DSVW765-PQR portrait quick release. So these you can simply just push on the screen. It comes right out. And then behind, you can see behind, we have micro adjustment, so we can do each corner in and out. We also have height adjustment, as well as left and right as well. Now, with these as well, you'll see just here we have this hole, so when the screen is closed, we can pop a screw in there so that the public can't push it and access it. Now, these are all using our standard spacers that we use, so we've taken out the work of the installer having to measure, make it very, very easy. This is our landscape model. So one of the other things we have on here, once we have it out, we have these pull strings again. We use the long one, and that releases, and the kickstands drop by themselves. You don't have to pull them out. So now that gives us about 30 degrees of extra space to work with. We can change cables and everything. When you finish, you just pull the short one, which is, click into place. This is the extra large version. This will do a 65 inch up to 95 inch. So again, very smooth away from the wall, and exactly the same adjustments, corner to corner, up and down. The only thing we don't have on this version is the kickstand at the bottom, and the reason for that being is that if you were to tilt it back with such large screens, the top of the screen hits the wall quite quick. So this is the DSVW795QR. And this will do a maximum visa of 600 by 600 and a maximum weight of 102 kilos as well. Moving on, this is our new mosaic video wall mount. This is the DSVWM770. So on here where we need to create abstract video walls, this is coming with an articulating mount, the FPS 1000. And then we also have this mosaic adapter. So basically on there we have a swivel plate which has pre-cut out holes, and it rotates in increments of 15 degrees at a time. So you spin it to which angle you want, you pop two M10 bolts through, and then it has a keyhole system, so all the installer has to do is put the screen and drop it down onto the keyhole. When it's down, he can tighten up the bolts. With this, we've also got the same adjustment as the video wall products, being the in and out, and also up and down as well. At the moment, this product is doing 46 to 70 inch and maximum weight 56 kilos, the Visa 600 by 400. Later this year we will look to release smaller models as well to cater for anything from 19 to 20 inch as well. So this is our new modular video wall trolley. We're currently supplying it in 4 different SKUs. So we do a 2x2, a 3x2, 3x3 and a 4x2 model. Goes together very, very quickly. So on here, these horizontal rails here, we can easily adjust the height by just removing the screws each side, and you can lift this up and down. This is our new entry-level trolley. This will take between a 32 and a 60 inch screen. It takes a maximum weight of 45.5 kilos. It does up to Visa 800 by 500. It's height adjustable. At the back we have some buttons. We can just press them in and you can hold the screen and up and down. And it does landscape and portrait without removing the screen. We have lockable wheels on there as well. And it's also coming with a metal shelf, DVD player or media player, that sort of thing. That you can turn around the other way and mount at the back as well. So this is our new ceiling mount menu board. This is a 3x1 solution. You can also do a 4x1 and a 5x1 solution. It has a maximum VESA of 300 by 300. So it's ideal for screens between 40 up to 46 inch. Below we have the wall-mounted menu board. This one here is one product in a box. So you get the wall plate, you get the vertical adapters. Here we have next to it the HD Flow. This is our wireless HDMI solution, where you can have one transmitter sending up to 4 receivers. You can just add on extra receivers. You can connect composite video, VGA, all of the legacy connections and output it in HDMI. So this is our wireless short throw projector system, and it's coming with a telescopic projector arm. We do that in 3 lengths, 600mm, 1200 and 1600. And it's coming with our adjustable, easy to use projector mount there, so you can adjust the tilt and the pan of the product. In here we have 2 speakers either side, and then we have an amplifier which all comes with it, and also the wireless HD Flow. Our ultra slim range, this here we have is one of our large articulating mounts. As you see, it has quite a far extension, and it can be angled left to right as well. And this will hold 42 to 75 inch. The maximum weight is 45 kilos. So this is our in-wall kiosk. This particular one here is for 46 inch, but we can do 40 inch all the way up to 55. Maximum capacity of 34 kilos. It's coming with a VESA 6x4 adapter plate inside. So this is recessed. We have a trim around here. At the bottom we have 2 screws which lock that onto place. So if you want to access, you just pop them out. You can simply remove the front, and then the mount inside is a push release, so that the screen comes out from the wall. This is our on-the-wall kiosk. Exactly the same bracket technology that was in the in-wall. Again, we have the fans on there for the ventilation. As standard, they're coming in this gloss black finish. We can do black, silver and white as standard, but then of course we can also do custom colours as well. This is our Peerless Extreme television. It's an outdoor television. Sizes we do 32, 42, 47 and 55 inch. These are IP68 rated, which means they can be submerged underwater for up to 30 minutes at a time. The screen there is a 4mm thick glass, which is impact resistant. Moving over, we also have the solution, because it's an outdoor TV, we also have the solution to mount it into a kiosk as well. So this one here is usually used for like fast food restaurant drive-through centres. This piece on top here is slanted to the back to help push any rain away from it. We have, if you want to come to the back. So we have here a key lock, which we're going to unlock. Opening up is the back of the panel, which is a heat sink there. So that again helps with the airflow so it doesn't get too hot. We've got plenty of connections inside. That's usually covered up with a plate that's sealed onto it as well though. This is another one of our kiosks, the landscape kiosk. This is the KIL 546. We're currently using a touchscreen application on this one here. So again, the way this works, we have there's an internal metal shelf for media player and cables and everything. Around the back, it's very quick to access. We just have 2 security screws in here. You remove those, simply lift them back off, and then you've got full access to work with. There's also a fan in there as well. Just at the back there, you can see. It's a standard 18mm fan. To our new twin pole modular system with a chrome poles. So this is a floor to wall application. So we have a heavy duty floor plate down here. 2 poles come up. We can attach any bracket to this, and you have some adjustment how close it is to the wall. On this you can do 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, as high as you like. And then in the same range we have a floor to ceiling as well, using the same poles, the same ceiling and floor plate, the same box behind. And then over here we have a freestanding model. So this uses a bigger footplate. The highest we can go on this is 2 meters. This here is showing our back-to-back model, so we can have 2 screens, or we can have it with just 1 screen.